How to log out of Viber on PC. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Launch your Viber app. Here we go. You will land to this kind of page. Now at the top right corner you can find this settings icon. Click on it. Now different options will pop up. Select the option of privacy and security. Click on it. Now here you can find the option of deactivate. Click on it. Choosing deactivate will remove your data from Viber and deactivate Viber on this device. Click on deactivate. But the data will be available in your other devices. This is very simple and quick process. Now you will be logged out from your Viber account. You can just launch your Viber app again and see it. You can see that I have logged out from my Viber account. This is how you can easily log out from your Viber account on PC. This was it. If you find this video helpful at the end, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.